Hi, this is Dave from Heads Up, and we want to walk you through our platform, which is being used by ThreeHealth to help you on your weight loss journey. ThreeHealth is a very sophisticated program. They're using the latest technology to help measure your body and optimize your results. So you're going to be using technology like the Aura Ring for measuring sleep quality. You're going to be using the BioSense for measuring if you're in ketosis. You may also be testing blood sugar, weight, physical activity, and other metrics. And Heads Up is really the dashboard that brings everything together. So you can see all of that data on one screen, even though you may be using several different devices to properly measure your health and then share that data back to ThreeHealth. So Heads Up is a dashboard for all of your health metrics. You can use it on a mobile device here. I've got an iPhone version of the app. You can also use it on the web browser here. And you can do a lot more on the web. So I'm going to cover the mobile app first, just to get some basics covered. This is the mobile app, and ThreeHealth is going to work with you to get all of your devices connected. You can see I've got the BioSense readings, I've got some Aura data, I've got some blood pressure data, some weight data. So this will just give you your simple stats on the go. ThreeHealth is going to work with you to get all your sources connected, which you do here through the Add Source button. You can tap on any tile. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the ACEs tile. And when you tap on it, it's going to give you your most recent reading here. You can scroll through your historical readings using the left and right arrows. And then you'll have your current month graphed down below here. You can also change it to a weekly view, a yearly view, a daily view. I've got month selected, and here's the date range. Here's the toggle if you want to go to the previous month. Similarly, if you're on the week view, you can go back and forth to past weeks using these arrows. Down below is the summary data, and then you can see we also give you some additional information. Your average this month, average last month, so you can see my readings are up significantly this month, which means I'm in a much deeper level of ketosis. We also show you the min and the max. If you tap on the data tab right here, that's going to show you all of your historical readings. So you can just scroll through them in list format. Just tap the graph button to get back to the graph, and then just close the tile here to go back to your dashboard. So those are the basics on the mobile app. Let's take a look at the web app, where you can do everything on mobile plus much more. So you've got a similar dashboard here. You can reorganize things if you want to. You can add additional metrics onto your dashboard. So you can set it up just the way you want. Let's go ahead and add, for example, a new tile. Maybe I also want to be tracking body fat, for example. So you can add tiles, you can reposition them, you can take them away. You can get this just the way you want it to help you best manage your health. So that's the dashboard. Then you've got reports here. And when you click on reports, you can essentially track your progress over time. So let's look at a basic example. I'm going to pick my BioSense readings, and I want to look at the month to date. So that's going to give me the readings for the current month. You can see you've got the actual readings here and then the average values here. You can also toggle these on or off. If you just want to look at your actual values, you can see them here. And when you mouse over each one, it will give you the result. Down below, you'll see that it's showing you the results for the current period, which is the current month, and we automatically compare it to the prior month. So you can see it's up almost over 100% on my acetone readings. Now, if you wanted to look at trend lines, let's say I was looking, for example, at year to date, which is much more detailed. This can get pretty noisy. Here it's more helpful to actually look at the trend lines, and that you can toggle here. So when you look at the trend line, you can see year to date. This gets a lot more meaningful than just the data points individually, and you can see it's jumped up here in the month of July. You can put other metrics on the graph as well. You may also want to look, for example, at your weight over the same timeline. You can put up to 6 parameters on the graph. So you can see here, interestingly, as the ketones have gone up, the weight has come down. considerably. So this is how you can track your progress over weeks, months, even over the course of years as you're learning about your health and transforming your body. And then lastly, ThreeHealth may be tracking some of your lab test results in here, specifically lab test results that are going to help them optimize your weight loss results. That may include things like thyroid markers or hemoglobin A1C, cholesterol numbers, liver function. So that's in the lab results page here. And you can also track your blood results. One of the most rewarding things about transforming your health is actually seeing these clinical markers get better right in front of your eyes. And as the weight comes off, the triglycerides come down, the HDL goes up, the hemoglobin A1C comes down. So as you make the healthy lifestyle changes, which are tracked here on your dashboard, and start to see the results coming in over time, you'll also start to see your lab test results improving, and that's when you're really in control of your health. So that's our platform. ThreeHealth has the data on the back end, and this is what they need to personalize and troubleshoot and optimize. So we hope you enjoy your dashboard. If you have any questions, get in touch with ThreeHealth, or you can contact us at support@headsuphealth.com. Thanks.